Welcome back. In this video, we're making Italian seeded cookies. Into a small pot, 3 cups of raspberries, 3/4 cup of water, and 3/4 cup of sugar. Bring up to a boil over medium-high heat, reduce the heat to low, and simmer for 25 minutes. Strain out the seeds, pour into a serving dish. For the dry ingredients, 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Into a stand mixer, a half stick of unsalted butter, a 1/4 cup of shortening, and a half cup sugar. Cream together on medium-high speed for 3 to 4 minutes. Reduce the speed to low, add in 1 egg, a half teaspoon vanilla, slowly dump in the flour mixture, a little bit at a time. The mixture will be crumbly, that's what you're looking for. Form into small logs, about 2 inches in length. Dunk them in some milk, roll in toasted sesame seeds, place onto a parchment paper lined baking sheet, bake at 350 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Serve with a raspberry dipping sauce, and there we have it, Italian seeded cookies. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.